Hello children, how are you? Children, today's our lesson is energy. We have already learnt about energy in previous sessions. We have learnt energy resources like non-renewable resources and renewable resources. In renewable resources, we have learnt about solar energy, wind energy and water energy. Children, you will learn these following learning outcomes from this lesson. You will understand the difference between non-renewable resources and renewable resources. You will try to conserve energy resources. Okay children? Energy resources in future. Petrol, diesel and coal reserves are diminishing continuously. Diminishing means తరిగిపోవటం. Petrol, diesel and coal are diminishing continuously. So, we should learn to depend upon the energy resources that do not diminish even after repeated use. So, these petrol, coal, diesel, these are diminishing. So, what we have to do? In place of these, we have to use another resources which do not diminish. అంటే అసలు తరిగిపోని వాటిని యూజ్ చేయాలి. What are those? Let us see. Effective methods to use solar energy, hydro energy, wind energy must be found out by experimenting. మరి మీరు ఫ్యూచర్లో ఏం చేయాలి? సోలార్ ఎనర్జీ, విండ్ ఎనర్జీ, వాటర్ ఎనర్జీని ఇంకా ఎఫెక్టివ్గా ఎలా యూజ్ చేయాలి అనేది మీరు ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయాలి. Okay children, let us see the differences between non-renewable resources and renewable resources. Non-renewable means the resources which will deplete when we use continuously. Renewable resources means which do not deplete. They are abundant. What is the first one? Petrol, diesel, kerosene, coal are the examples for non-renewable resources. These petrol, diesel, kerosene, coal will deplete when we use continuously. Solar energy, wind energy, hydro energy are the examples for renewable resources. Means when we use these resources continuously, they will not deplete. అంటే మనం ఎంత యూజ్ చేసినా కూడా ఇవి తరిగిపోవన్నమాట. Non-renewable resources are expensive. We have to buy these petrol, diesel, kerosene, coal. So they are expensive. Here renewable resources are cheap. We are not buying the solar energy, wind energy, isn't it children? These are pollutants. When we burn petrol, diesel, kerosene and coal, what happens? They may pollute the atmosphere. Here, non-renewable resources are non-pollutants. These are not harmful to our atmosphere. These non-renewable resources are harmful to us. Non-renewable resources will not be available for a long time. When we use continuously, what happens? We won't get these resources for long time. Here, renewable resources are available forever. These solar energy, wind energy, hydro energy will get forever. Alternatives to these must be prepared. Alternatives to non-renewable resources must be prepared. అంటే పెట్రోల్, డీజిల్, కెరోసిన్, కోల్ ఉంటాయి కదా, వాటికి బదులుగా ఏమన్నా ఇంకా వేరే ప్రత్యామ్నాయం అంటే అవి అయిపోతే మనం ఏం చేయాలి అనేది ఆలోచించాలి. Instead of preparing other alternatives, it is best to use this proper way. What we have to do? We have to use this solar energy, wind energy and hydro energy in proper way. No need of alternatives here. Okay children? From those given in the table, which resources should we use more and why? Yes, we should use renewable resources because they are cheap and non-pollutants. Suggest some resources or energies in place of non-renewable resources. Yes, we can suggest solar energy, wind energy and hydro energy in place of non-renewable resources. Conservation of energy resources. What is conservation? Conservation means podupu. How to conserve these energy resources? Energy is needed for all activities. Yes, we need energy for all activities. From morning to evening, for many activities we need energy. We should think of proper ways of utilizing different energy resources in nature. In nature, different energy resources are available for us. We have to use these energy resources in a proper way. We should try to conserve the energy resources and to reduce pollution. What we have to do? We have to conserve non-renewable resources. And what we have to do? If we conserve these energy resources, what happens? Automatically pollution will be reduced. We should not waste fuels but save them in future. For future generations, we have to save these fuels. We should decrease the use of non-renewable resources and increase the use of renewable resources. We should decrease the non-renewable resources like petrol, diesel, coal, etc. Why should we decrease? Yes, non-renewable resources will deplete when we use continuously. We should increase the use of renewable resources. Then renewable resources are available forever. So, we should increase the use of renewable resources. What should we do to save fuels? What do you do to save electricity? Let us see how to save these fuels. To save fuels, what we have to do? Walk short distances on foot. It saves fuel and it is good for health. For short distances, what we have to do? We should go on foot. We should not use vehicles. It is good for health and it saves fuel also. Use bicycles instead of cars, motorcycles and scooters. If one person is going outside, we can use bicycles instead of cars. This is in practice in many of the European countries. Travel in public transport systems like buses and trains as far as possible. If it is possible, travel in public transport like buses and trains. Do not use cars for one or two persons. For one or two persons, motorcycle is enough, no? So, we should not use car for one or two persons. This causes traffic congestion and pollution on roads. What happens if we use car for one or two persons? Fuel is wasted and traffic jam occurs. It causes pollution on roads. Avoid using electric lamps in daytime. In daytime, open windows and doors to keep the house well lit and ventilated. What we have to do in daytime? We should not use electric lamps. We should open our doors and windows in daytime. Switch off all electrical appliances while going out of the house and at nights before sleeping. Switch off electrical appliances like TVs, bulbs, fans when we are going outside from our house, and before sleeping also we should switch off the electric appliances. Do not keep the lights on in bathrooms and toilets when not required. When we are not using toilets, what we have to do? We should switch off the lights. Do not use geysers, electric cookers, microwave ovens, electric iron boxes, washing machines, grinders, etc. except when required. When required only, we should use all these electric appliances. These electric appliances will consume more electricity. Try natural methods for cooling. Use fans only when needed. There will not be any necessity of air conditioners if you grow plants and trees around the house and in your surroundings. Yes, we should grow plants and trees around our house and in our surroundings. Then ACs and fans are not required for us. Do not burn coal or wood unnecessarily. Do not burn coal and wood. అంటే అవసరం లేనిదే వీటిని మండించరాదు. Make compost of leaves and garbage. Make compost with dried leaves and garbage. Do not pollute air by burning them. Do not waste water and keep on taking steps to conserve water. We get energy from food. Do not waste food. Children, where do we get energy? Yes, from food we will get energy. So, we should not waste food. Do not overheat food because it requires more fuel. And the nutritive values are lost also. If we overcook the food, what happens? Yes, the nutritive values also lost from the food and the fuel will be wasted. ఓవర్కుక్ చేస్తే ఏమవుతుంది? అక్కడ గ్యాస్ వేస్ట్ అవుతుంది, అలాగే న్యూట్రిషన్ దాంట్లో ఉండే పోషక విలువలు కూడా పోతాయన్నమాట. ఓకే చిల్డ్రన్, you watch this video about how to save fuels. Early in the morning, this house is fully lighted. Here these people are brushing by opening the tap and they are not switch offing the lights in the bathroom, and this water is wasting from tap. Here these dishes are overcooked. Here in this house energy is wasted. If we waste like this, what happens? It increases global warming. Our earth gets heated and the water in the polar regions will melt. In place of normal bulbs, these people are keeping LED bulbs to save electricity. See, these people are changing to LED bulbs. They are keeping lids on dishes, so here gas is saved, and they are switch offing all electric appliances, and they are going to their working places on bicycles. Here they are saving fuels. They are leaving cars and they are going in public transport to their offices. Here in their working place, after the completion of their working hours, they are switch offing all the electric gadgets. They are going down without using lift. They are going by steps and they are switch offing all the lights. When they come down, they are going to home by public transport. When they are sleeping, they are offing the lights. With this, our session is completed. Children, here is a homework for you. You answer these questions and show it to your teacher. How do you save energy resources? Second one, write few differences between non-renewable and renewable resources. Okay children, shall we meet in next class? Thank you.